Uh, Jeremy, Sarah's husband, said something to me when he was telling us that he asked Sarah to marry him. And
It's a beautiful story.
it's amazing. And he said, if you know God has the one picked out for you, then by faith live your life like you do him.
That's right.
Hold on. And Jesus said, in the Word it says to avoid fornication.
It says have fornication.
It does, and it says to avoid fornication, let every man have his own wife and every woman her own husband. But that would mean to flee adultery if you looked at it after you were married. So this is before you're married. Have your own husband.
Right.
Before you're married.
Know you're set apart from them.
Know you're set apart for that person. And know that, you're encapsulated in guarding eye. You allow the Lord to do that, and He does a wonderful job of concealing you.
I like what you shared about Jeremy said about you. That he said, I want to show you where did he find you? Tell it, because it was so beautiful. And I believe, was it in, where God is talking to the children of Israel, and he says, you will be a special people to me above all others.